Hi, I'm Hansi Herzog. Welcome to CoCreate. Our vision is to unite the world community so we are able to co-create a good life for all. To do so, we invite you to become part of the world's largest co-creation partnership, because together we can shape reality. So to explain a little bit more about what this means and to get in contact with you as community, we decided to start a 30 days video challenge. So welcome to day 8, the second Tuesday in the second week. And Tuesday is always about Co-Create Explained. So last time we get a rough overview. Today, I would like to double click into the ecosystem model, which is our USP, very unique and is the base for everything we do and bring the big value. So that's also the reason why I'm now on the screen. So perfect. We see here from Ashoka Austria. Ashoka is well known around the world. It's an impact organization, and they made together with us research. This map shows different change makers to different topics. What we see, it's amazing that there are so many change makers to the topics just in Austria, but you also see already that's quite a mess. So how to find there very fast the right partners or the knowledge, their products in this mess of network. So this is the base where we see and realize networks most often today, and we want to make a shift in this. How we do this is very short. This is the graphic of the process I explained to you last week in the Wednesday video, where we, on the specific topic of facilitation cooperative, go this through 4 steps in our process. And these steps actually happens now in each element of our structure. So now we come really to the core of the ecosystem model, the structure model. Everything starts with the purpose, with the philosophy in the center. For us, it's a good life for all. Maybe you have another explanation for that. And then on the second level, and now we'll fill the levels like onion rings. Second is the model. The model itself is part. It's like a DNA, like a system architecture going through the whole ecosystem and connecting different parts. Next level is the node. The node is like a back office. My own experience and a lot of models speak about having a strong back office, a backbone organization to support the facilitation, network management. So you as user of the network can focus really on being and using the network. Next level is the infrastructure. It's very, very important. And here's also the facilitation collective I explained the last time. So the infrastructure are resources and services which change makers need again and again for doing their projects and realizing impact. So as examples, we have communication, we have knowledge, we have facilitation, we have funds and money, we have IT platforms. Here it's like also other parts are spaces, rooms to meet or events together. And what we do here is really to connect all of this. So each of these dots, of these hexagons, represent a group of people, of organizations, which we collected through the process before. That's what you gained in the last video through the facilitation approach. So by connecting all of them, we create an easy access for the change makers working off topics. We call it topics regarding, referring, here is the infrastructure, here are the topics. Working on specific issues like food, healthcare, education, water, energy, but also more abstract topics like poverty in general, gender equality, peace, and so on. So we bring, again, also here, each of this part is a process of co-creation. We bring those together to exchange knowledge, best practice examples, create shared portfolio, and then reach out for the last circle. It's the public. So you can imagine like the node creating the ecosystem, the infrastructure provides service for the change makers provide service for the public, where also we are as the inner roles on our search for good products, for healthy food, for places for our children, and so on. To add one more aspect in the graphic here are the 4 target groups or 4 sectors of society, with the civil society, the business, government, and academia, to really have a holistic approach on society and implement all of them. And what you actually see here very flat in these different roles also happens on different levels of regions. So from the global to the neighborhood, in between, all of these regions have different requirements, resources, people acting for change. So it's really important to blend in differently. We also see that's a bottom-up and top-down process. You as a user are prosumer, means producer and consumer. It's like a platform. Everybody has something to give and to take. And it's an evolutionary organization. So it keeps on developing. Yeah, I stopped the sharing here. Stepping back to say goodbye. So you saw the model. That's a basic, very basic. I could talk for hours, but to give you an overview, and this is for us really the structure, also then later the data model for how we collect, spread, and connect the knowledge, people, and resources. That's very important. That's the core. Everything else built on top of it. So that's for today. Next Tuesday, we will have a look on the platform, and tomorrow is CoCreate in action, where we'll have a closer look at a specific user case. So I hope you liked the video. Please give a thumb up, hit the bell to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment. Very important for us. Let us know, what do you think? What do you think about our approach? Have you seen something similar? Maybe you can give some advices and share ideas. If you have tips for improvement or any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We're really looking forward to. And for now, it's just to say, let's join in together to this beautiful ecosystem, because together we can co-create each part of society. Wish you a great day. Bye.